Hey everyone, it's Holly here. Today I am back with a really quick and easy tutorial for how to use your xTool M1 or similar laser engraving machine to create unique cork coasters. So here are the ones that I have made. These are actually for our upcoming Disney cruise. So these are part of our Disney Fish Extender gifts. And so they have the Disney Wonder on there, super cute. And those are from files that I got off of Etsy. So you can do anything though, it doesn't need to be Disney, of course. You can personalize them with names or any designs that you create or SVG files that you upload. So let me show you how to make them. Okay, so here I am inside of the xTool creative space and just going ahead and choosing the cork desk pad. So that's the closest option I found in there for materials. It's a similar texture. And then measuring the thickness, so it will auto measure with the camera that is inside your machine, which is one of the best things about the xTool. Very intuitive. And then going through and choosing my SVG design that I want to engrave on the cork coasters. I'm just bringing that down to the right size. And so this design is actually a color design that is one that you can use for doing like vinyl t-shirt designs and whatnot. I don't want to worry about those colors, so while it won't engrave in color, obviously, I'm just changing those to black just for my own ease of use, I suppose. And then just going through and doing the same for each of your coasters, putting your designs on there. So I've gone ahead and done them already, so you don't have to watch me do each stage. Then selecting everything and making sure it's on the engrave setting, and then putting the settings. So I've got it on power 20 and speed 70. And I actually changed the lines per centimetre to 120 for this particular demo. However, I did do the same thing the second time round when I did my next lot of coasters, doing speed lines 100. And it looks exactly the same, so there's no real need to worry about that higher setting. And then powering on the machine and away it goes. So this process actually took a really long time. They're very intricate designs. So it took about 90 minutes to do the 6 coasters, which is a lot. But in saying that, I didn't group the images together properly the first time. So it did take a bit longer as it went back and filled in some of those extra gaps. But they look amazing. And I think that they're going to be really well received for our Fish Extender group.